Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about how to create a pivot table. So before creating a pivot table, let us understand what, what is a pivot table. Pivot table is basically a feature in MS Excel when it provides us facility to summarize our data. As you can see that this is a very big data. There are different columns like order ID, dates, order dates, customer ID, product ID, how many units sold, and what is the total sales. So when we are looking these values like this, it cannot give us some meaningful informations. Now we can read this information, but it's not coming out very meaningful. So we need to summarize this data. To summarize this data, we will create a pivot table. To create a pivot table, we will first go insert, then we will find this option pivot table. Just click here. It gives different feature to import the data also. For this example, we will use just click here. Now this total data set automatically got selected and new pop-up box is here. So it gives table or range as this is my data set is in table. That's why table 3 is coming. Otherwise, you need to select this data from here to here. A new range would have been there. Now it asks for, do you want a new worksheet or existing worksheet? So let's suppose that I wanted to check this in this worksheet only. Then click here. Now let's suppose that I have an order ID or customer ID. All right. Then this unit sold. Now, so this is our pivot table. So this value, which is right now available here in different C100, this. So there are four C100, six C100 is available here, and the total units sold is 126. So it is coming here C100 126. Now the information here can be seen also and can be counted like I did, but that is not possible that you can see every value by selecting this and can remember this. That's why we use this pivot. So it gives the unique uh, customer ID and then the sales as a sum. Now you can see when we use this created this pivot table, then this is a particular box where all columns, the all columns can be seen here. You can select this value and can put in these four boxes. These four fields are different fields. Let me explain one by one. First is the filter one. Filter one means like I wanted to filter is product ID wise. So you can see the this value comes here. Now it will give like I wanted to see just P100 only, 101. So it will filter my data, the data which was much higher earlier. Now, if I will select this P101, it got reduced. So basically, it is filtering our data basis this value. Second is the column. Let's suppose instead of putting this value here, I wanted to put it here. You can see now the values of product ID is showing in columns. Third is the rows that we already use. And fourth is the summary one. So whatever value you will put here, it will be showing as a sum or different, like count or average you can use here to summarize your data. So that is how a brief discussion about the pivot table. We will further discuss about more functionality of pivot table in the coming videos.